Way more snow up here near our house. The roads are bad up here too. Just coming into our neighborhood. Stopped and got gas. The wind's picking up big time. We're gonna end up with a freeze over tonight or whatever. Cluster at this intersection. Yeah, these roads haven't even been touched in here really. Lots of heavy snow too. Look at these branches hanging down. That's gonna be a problem. Look at these branches hanging down on the right here over the power lines. I guarantee the wind picks up and people are gonna lose power tonight. It's not good. These are all wicked heavy looking branches. We haven't had this in a while. We haven't had a heavy snow or even a lot of, you know, some kind of storm to knock stuff down. Look at these branches hanging over right here in front of our house. Not good, not good, not good. Man, I hope we don't lose power tonight. That would suck. Yeah, oh, I lost a branch right here off of this tree in the corner of our yard right here. Somebody either fell right here or somebody moved it. Look at all this snow. They haven't even touched this. Wow. I gotta clean off the boat and all that stuff. It's not cool. See if I can get the car in.